Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace a 6-inch surface element switch in your electric range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Have an assistant help you to move the range away from the wall. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the screws to release the upper rear access panel. Note the orientation of the surface element switch wire connectors, then disconnect them. Pull off the control knob and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 mounting screws to release the old switch. Install the new surface element switch by aligning it in the control panel. Then thread the screws to secure. Realign the control knob on the switch stem. Connect the wire connectors to the appropriate terminals. Realign the access panel by placing the panel tabs behind the lip of the control panel. Thread and tighten the screws. Move the appliance back against the wall. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your electric range should be ready for use.